Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my cousin. She's driving. We are going to the Chicago boat scene where everyone hooks up their boats together and they turn up. So we about to go turn up with them. And I wanted to bring you guys along with me, so go ahead and stay tuned. Woo! Hey guys, so we made it here. We're headed to our boat now, and today, you know, it's just a good summer day and you have to turn up. It's Saturday. Just made it out on the boat and we're waiting to go all the way out. Hey. And we have some friends. So once we get out there, we'll show you what it's like, and I hope you guys are enjoying these views. It's so beautiful today. Okay, hey girl.
Hey.
Are you excited for today?
I am so excited.
It's my first time. What should I expect?
It's my first time too.
Oh right.
So, yeah, newbies over here.
Newbies. Hey. What about you?
I'm super excited. Have you guys gotten on the jet skis?
Only to come here. What else should we be excited? Oh, from the jet skis?
Yeah. It's nice. It's nice. To be honest, the water, like, it feels kind of like cool, right?
Yeah.
But once you get in the water, it's nice and warm.
Dope.
So I'm excited for that.
Dope. What are you excited for?
The vibe. It's unreal.
Hey.
You have to check it out.
Yes. Always
Everyone's
vibing.
Just tied up together, and you can jump from one boat to another.
Oh, that's
and
lit.
That's life.
Yes, that's about to be so exciting.
Boats and hoes.
Literally, huh?
Yes.
We finally made it, and now we're about to anchor slash park, and then we're gonna turn up. Woo! Look at all the boats. We are out here, and it's always important to have fun. They fucking it up with the tunes over there.
Come on, big fella, you drunk, big fella. 2 sips and now you want to trip, big fella.
All night I've been drinking, all night I've been drinking, all night I've been drinking, eh, eh. All night I've been drinking, all night I've been drinking, all night I've been drinking, eh, eh. All night I've been drinking, all night I've been drinking, all night I've been drinking, eh, eh.
Everybody outside, when I pull up outside all night.
progression and then achievements and accomplishments. That's what life is about. So find those people to be around, find that life that you want to live, and live that life that you need to live, okay? That you choose to. And here is the meat of it all. This is what we came to do, hang with others on their boats and be a community and have fun and enjoy ourselves, enjoy our time. And now we're about to put this big old floaty out and have some fun. And Momo over here kicking it in the water. Momo! I hope you guys enjoyed the views and the scenery of Chicago's boat scene, where everyone comes out as a community and ties up their boats together. And with that being said, I'm signing off. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And everyone enjoy your day.